Hello, everybody! Today we will have a glance at the field list. Let's explore how it helps us to define which data to show on the grid or charts. You can open the field list in two ways. The first option is to click the diagonal arrow in the upper right corner of the component. The tool is also accessible by choosing the Fields tab on the toolbar. Let's use this way. This tool allows us to add fields to rows, columns, values, and report filters. On the left side, we can see all fields from the original data source. Hierarchies are displayed with levels. For example, order date has 4 sublevels: year, quarter, month, and day. We can select such hierarchies starting from any level. Some fields are grouped in folders, like city, and country are grouped in the location folder. The Expand All button expands all multi-level hierarchies and folders at once. If your data source contains more than 50 fields, a search icon will appear next to the Expand All button. Use it to search for the field by name. We can drag fields to report filters, columns, rows, and values. Also, we can drag fields between and inside the boxes. You can also remove a field by moving it out of the box. Each box can have as many fields as needed. Values are typically placed in columns, though it is possible to drag them to rows. Each field selected for values requires an aggregation function applied to it. Click the sigma icon to see the list of available aggregations and apply the necessary one. String fields can be selected for values as well. You can also add a custom calculated value. We will tell you more about how to manage them in the next video. Press Apply after configuring all necessary fields and see the changes on the grid. You can manage the slice in the flat view the same way. The field list, in this case, will look like a plain list of available fields. You can rearrange them and choose which to display on the grid. Note that for the drill-through view, the field list works the same. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.